Hi everyone, it's Matthew here from the Skibbereen Food Company. Welcome to my kitchen in West Cork today in Skibbereen. And today I'm just going to show you how to make a real easy homemade hummus. Okay, see you at the end of the video. The first thing we have to do when we make hummus is we're going to drain the chickpeas. Now I'm using canned chickpeas that are already cooked. If you want to, you can get chickpeas and you can soak them overnight. But in this case, it's a lot easier for homemade hummus. We just let these drain, but we keep the juice that comes out of the tin from the chickpeas. When we drain our chickpeas, we put them into a clean glass bowl. And what we're going to do now is add the tahini. So tahini is ground sesame seeds that is ground into a paste. And what we're going to do with this is we're just going to add around about 2 teaspoons of tahini. And that really gives a distinctive taste, in my opinion, that adds to the chickpea and the hummus flavor. Our next step is to add 1 clove of garlic. Okay, so I'm just going to chop that in there. We've got about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so just roundabouts. And then we're going to do around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. But I'm just going to use, I think, just about half a lemon cut in half and just use the fresh juice out of that. Okay. We're also going to add now some rapeseed oil. So it's about 6 tablespoons. Okay, 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to add a little 4, and then we're going to try and whiz this to a consistency for hummus, okay? As you can see, it's a bit clumpy, so I'm going to add a little bit more oil to this, okay? But I'm also the juice left over, or shall we say the liquid left over, from the actual tin of chickpeas. I'm just going to throw a little bit in there, and we're going to carry on whizzing. And here we go. This is the finished product. You can see it here. Okay, look how smooth it is, and it's just by trial and error of putting a little bit more rapeseed oil and also the liquid left over of the chickpeas. I've seasoned it a little bit more with salt, but this is it. Look, it's smooth and beautiful. Okay, so here we go. Here's our hummus. Look how smooth and silky it is. And if you want, you can throw some paprika on it, just to give it that bit of color. It traditionally comes like that if you see that in the kind of Turkish restaurants, etc. So there you have it, guys. A lovely homemade hummus. Doesn't take too long. It's less expensive than buying it. But look, try it, see what you think. I love it, and it sits in your fridge for a good couple of days or a week for you to use up. Please follow me on all my social media channels and obviously my YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you soon. And follow the Skibbereen Food Company. Guys, have a good week. We'll see you soon. Thank you, guys.